This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code using your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can do this like 3 or 4 different ways. The easiest way is to just open up your camera option right here and then go to your camera option and then you can just go over your QR code. So I'm going to flip my camera around here so I can see. So I'm going to press this flipper and then I can go over the QR code and just make sure you have the correct QR code. And this little box should pop up. You can just go to the white box and tap it. It'll bring you directly to wherever that QR code is. Looks like this is for Patrick Henry. So we can do that under here. Now if it doesn't pop up, you can also check the settings on your phone. Maybe there's a settings right here that will allow you to do the QR code and you don't have it enabled. So just look through here. And I think there usually is a QR code option in here somewhere. So just look for that under here. So if you don't see anything under there, here it is, scan QR codes, make sure it's there. We can swipe down from the top right. Usually there's a button somewhere on here that says scan QR code. So here it is, scan QR code. We can go to this, and then we can just go over that QR code and we can scan it with this option. Otherwise, go to Google Play Store, open this up, and type in Google Lens. So you might have this already on your phone, but if you go to Google Lens, we can open this up and use this one to scan QR code. So let's go to while using this app, continue. And I use Google Lens for a lot of other things, but you can see I have a QR option on here. So I can just go over it and then press search to. And if you take like a picture, it's going to search for things that look similar to that picture. So I can like take a picture of this. And it might help you find things too, so I use this a lot. So it looks like a speaker just by taking a picture of the back of the speaker. But go ahead and look at these different options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.